Technivorm Moccamaster 79318 KBGT 10 cup coffee maker 50 oz. Perfect coffee every time. This pump-free coffee maker heats water to the correct temperature for coffee extraction and keeps the coffee hot in a double-walled thermal carafe. Easy to use. The Moccamaster brews a full 50 oz pot of coffee in 4 to 6 minutes using one switch. Quiet and safe. The Moccamaster KBGT cover brewer quietly brews your coffee and automatically turns off after the brew cycle. Quality materials. Moccamasters last a lifetime. Use BPA, BPS, BPFN, phthalate-free plastics and durable stainless steel and aluminum. Delicious coffee and peace of mind. For over 50 years, have handmade every Moccamaster in Netherlands. Moccamaster cool water reservoir. The KBGT has a 50 oz 10 cup 1.25 liter water reservoir. Fill it up and watch the water bubble up the glass tube and over your coffee grounds for delicious coffee in 4 to 6 minutes. Auto off power switch. Once the water reservoir is empty and the coffee is done brewing, the Moccamaster copper element will automatically turn off, leaving just the power switch on, indicating the brewer is ready. Automatic adjust brew basket. The automatic brew basket allows you to pull the carafe away and pour a cup without dripping from the brew basket. Even saturation of coffee from 9-hole outlet arm. The 9-hole outlet arm pulses water 196 degrees to 205 degrees Fahrenheit over your coffee, which ensures even extraction and smooth flavorful cup of coffee from the first sip to the last drop. Please subscribe for more videos.